Welcome to Green 5 Kitchen channel. Today's recipe is banana stem masala vada. Wash and soak 1 cup of chana dal in water for 2 hours. Add the soaked chana dal to blender. Add grated ginger. Add garlic. Add 3 cloves or lavang. Add 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Add red chilies. Add salt as per taste. Blend all ingredients. Grind to dry coarse texture. Add very little water if required. Transfer the grinder vada batter to another bowl. Add chopped onions. Add chopped banana stem or Vazhaipoo. Add 2 tablespoons coriander or dhania. Mix it all together. Make round balls from vada batter. Shape into vadas by gently pressing in the palm. Add oil to pan. Once oil gets heated to medium temperature, add vadas slowly. Flip vadas to other side so that it cooks evenly. Fry until golden brown. Cook in low flame for 5 minutes. Vadas are now ready. Remove from oil. Enjoy the tasty masala vadas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.